paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make a beautiful flower pot today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will start drawing the pot first. Well, let's start making a different type of a pot. For this, we will make the pot's mouth first. And after that, why don't we try making a beautiful frill? Lovely! After that, let's try and make the two curves and join it with a sleeping line. And now, it's time for us to make a beautiful ribbon. Lovely! Now, let's start making the stem from which the beautiful flowers come. Make sure that you try and draw light drawings so that it is easier for us to erase it. Now, let's start making different type of flowers. It is alright if you overlap two flowers amongst each other. Do you know what does overlapping mean? It means one on top of another. Now it's time for us to make beautiful leaves. You can also try making different type of flowers to fill the entire pot. This looks lovely, isn't it? You can make buds, you can make small leaves, you can make small flowers, and you can make a bunch of flowers as well. Now, it's time for us to sketch it. Let's try sketching it together. This looks lovely, isn't it? Let's make sure that we make the frills properly and complete the entire flower pot. Make sure that you do not do the stem. We are going to do it with a different color. And now is my favorite part. Let's start coloring this. We will take orange color first and after that we will take red color. Why don't we do pink color with the red color? It will look attractive. The flowers look so bright and beautiful. Make sure you do the outline and then color inside. Well, in small spaces like the small petals, you need to be very careful. Also, try and do not go outside the lines. Now you can take the light green color and the dark green color and start doing the leaves. This looks so beautiful. Now it's time for us to sketch the stem. Let's take our green colored sketch pen and start doing this. Beautiful! Now let's color the flower pot. We will take yellow color for this. And then let's take the red color for the ribbon. And finally, why don't we try merging red and orange color and do the entire flower pot? Yes, it is going to look something like this. So beautiful, isn't it? You can make a card out of it, or you can also make such posters out of it. Well, this looks great when you frame it as well. Now, let's color the oval part. And voila! Our flower pot is ready. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.